Inverse of a matrix using elementary row operations. Definition: the inverse of a square matrix A, denoted as A inverse, is the matrix such that A multiplied by A inverse equal to A inverse multiplied by A equal to I, where I is the identity matrix of the same order. Conditions: matrix must be unique, square, the matrix must be non-singular, determinant of A not equal to 0. Method: Gauss-Jordan elimination. To find A inverse using elementary row operation, write the matrix A alongside the identity matrix I. A I is the identity matrix. Apply row operation to convert the left matrix A into the identity matrix. The right matrix becomes A inverse. Example: find the inverse of A 2, 5, 1, 3. Step 1. Write the augmented matrix A and I is the identity matrix. You can see here we write all elements in this form and 1, 3 you write here. This matrix is the identity matrix. In a diagonal will be 1, 1. Step 2. Make pivot top left element 1. Divide for 1 by 2. R1 means first row. 1 upon 2 multiplied by first row. You now get this answer. And you write here. Step 3. Eliminate the entry below pivot R2 means second row. R2 minus 5 multiplied by R1 first row. Now 5 minus 5 will be 0 and 3 minus 5 upon 2 we get 1 upon 2. 0 minus 5 upon 2 we get minus 5 upon 2. 1 minus 0 we get 1. This is second row. Then we put these elements in second row which we have get. Step 4. Make pivot in R2 row 2 A1 R2 second row 2 multiplied by R2. Then we get 0, 1 minus 5, 2. We put second row, then we put the values of second row. Step 5. Eliminate the value above the pivot in R1. R1 implies R1 minus 1 upon 2 R2. Now you can see here we have simplified, then we get this answer. This is R1 first row, then you put this first row. Now you can see here this matrix will be identity matrix. It means we get this A inverse. You must be remember, if we put here identity matrix, then in a final answer identity matrix will be converted here, and we get this A inverse matrix by row operation. Now you can see here 3 minus 5 minus 1 and 2, A inverse matrix. We get this answer. Verification optional. You know A multiplied by A inverse. The matrix A is, you know, the matrix A inverse which you get. Then we multiply both matrix. You know 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3 plus sign. 1 multiplied by minus 5. You can see here. Then this 5 multiplied by 3. This is plus sign. 3 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by 5. Now we convert here. 2 multiplied by minus 1. You can see here plus sign. 1 multiplied by 2. 1 multiplied by 2. Same process. 5 multiplied by minus 1. 5 multiplied by minus 1 plus sign. This 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2. Now we simplify. 2 3s are 6 plus minus minus 1 multiplied by 5. 5. Same process. 5 multiplied by 3 15 plus minus minus 3 multiplied by 5 15. Now we simplify this. 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus का 2 plus sign. 1 multiplied by 2 we get 2. 5 multiplied by minus 1 minus 5 plus 3 multiplied by 2 6. Now we simplify. 6 minus 5 we get 1. 15 minus का 15 we get 0. Minus 2 plus 2 we get 0. Minus 5 plus 6 we get 1. You can see this is identity matrix. If multiplication of both matrix equal to identity matrix, then it means your answer is correct. Thank you.